So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic driver. So first you have to come this at www.gigabyte.com, this official website, so you can download driver, and this is search icon. Just click on it and then enter the graphic card model number GeForce RTX 5060 AERO OC8G, and then click on the product and then click on the title of the graphic card, and then click on support, and select your operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. So NVIDIA driver, and this is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see it is start downloading, and it will take some time, 5 to 10 minutes, and depend over your internet. So it is completed, then click on download, and it is start downloading. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed, then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see okay. Now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that, also completed driver, then restart your system.